Money token is used as a currency in the case of transactions such as arbitrage between exchanges and is also used for major cryptocurrency transactions. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today I'm going to share a number of things regarding money token MNT, and also I'm going to share a great airdrop and also a trading competition which will be ongoing from tomorrow. So it is your chance to join their trading competition and win up to $10,000 in MNT tokens. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the update. First of all, what is money token all about? Here you can see it by yourself: a decentralized Ethereum based network, a token for arbitrage and economy on Ethereum blockchain. It is secure and fast. Only 1 million supply is over there and 100% fair. If you want to know something more regarding the money token, you must have to read the entire white paper because they cleared each and everything in their personal white paper. So you must have to read all the things before investing even a single penny. Here you can also see one thing more that is entirely appropriate, that right now if you want to buy money token MNT, it will cost you about 1 Ethereum is equal to 1000 MNT, so you can easily buy this token directly in Ethereum. And here you can see more things, that right now the round 1 of airdrop is ongoing, so it is your chance to grab up to $50 MNT tokens directly in your personal MyEther wallet address. And also you have the chance, if you will share your own referral link, you will get up to $10 MNT tokens directly in your wallet very easily. So I will also basically share that very airdrop with you. And here you can see the main features of this platform MNT: the blockchain technology, good demand due to only 1 million supply, and it is 100% secured. So here you can also see one thing, that right now the money token is basically the name, the symbol is MNT. It is, as I told you, that it is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal wallet address. And here comes the contract address of this token, and only 1 million supply is over there, so definitely it will be decentralized very soon. It means that only the people who are basically going to join their airdrop, who are going to buy this token, they have MNT token. So it is a great thing regarding this, the whole platform money token. Here you can also see one thing, that 10% marketing and promotion, 20% for first round airdrop, 20% for the self drop, 5% second round airdrop, 10% IEO, 25% reserve, and 10% only for the team. The main roadmap of money token is here: development of the website and launch first round airdrops, secondly the self drop start, and in June 2020 exchange listing. But right now, as I am going to tell you, that right now their main thing, that it is going to list on BitXMI exchange. Yeah, that is such a great thing. Here you can see it by yourself, the main announcement from the bitxmi.com. There they are saying at this time that you have the chance to win up to $10,000 in MNT trading competition. So it is such a great thing. Here you can see it by yourself, that receive $10,000 money token in trading competition from the BitXMI crypto exchange. It will start from tomorrow, as I'm telling you at this time. From 15th May it will basically start up to 20th of May. So you have the chance to buy this token directly on BitXMI exchange from 15th of May. And if you are going to hold number of the MNT tokens, then definitely you will earn and you will basically win number of MNT tokens up to $10,000. So it is such a great thing for all the users who are going to buy this token right now. And you also have the chance to buy this token directly from the self drop at this time, or you can even buy this token directly from BitXMI exchange on 15th of May. Right now I am also going to share a great thing regarding this project MNT, and if you have any type of questions regarding the platform or regarding the whole thing on the BitXMI or the trading competition, you must have to okay, you must have to question each and everything from the team directly in their Telegram group chat and also on their Telegram channel. And also I'm going to share a great airdrop of money token. Here you can see it by yourself. If you didn't join it yet, you must have to join it because they are giving away about $50 tokens entirely free. So first of all, you have to click on the start, then you have to join them on the Telegram group and also the Telegram channel. Then you have to click on continue, then you have to join up them on the Twitter, and also basically you have to retweet the pinned post and tag your 3 friends. Then you have to enter your all details. First of all your your Telegram username, then your Twitter username, then your email address, then at the end you have to enter your personal MyEtherWallet address. Then you will get your own referral link, which if you are going to share your referral link and your friends are going to sign up with the help of your referral link, you are going to get number of free MNT tokens. And also, as I'm telling you again and again, right now you have the chance to participate in the MNT trading competition because it will be ongoing from 15th of May. And probably if you are going to get number of MNT tokens, if you are going to trade number of MNT tokens on BitXMI, you'll be able to collect up to $10,000 indirectly in the trading competition. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button. I will share all the links, especially the main announcement link of BitXMI, and also I will share the link of my airdrop, especially because it is a great thing that if you are going to join money token round 1 airdrop, because from that one you will be able to collect 50 MNT tokens directly. So it is your chance to grab the airdrop. And also, I'm sorry, not the 50 tokens, I think the 25 tokens, which will worth about $50. So I will share both links, especially the BitXMI link and also the airdrop bot link. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.